my channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And today we have an install video today. Today we're gonna be installing my air ram intake and my turbo blanket. I have a little unboxing on my phone camera, so you guys will see it right now.
So this is a turbo blanket right here. Next we have the actual air filter, BMC air filter. With sticker and your instructions, and last, well, not last, we have the tubing. This little bracket. And these two pieces of rubber. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing this, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing. Like this video and comment. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is, I got the hose right here. I'm gonna get just one of these clamps, put them on one end, so make sure they're like snug, not tight yet. And then what I'm gonna do is this piece right here, it's gonna go right in here. And what you want is, you basically want this end to match kind of with this end right here. Go ahead, push it all the way in. Actually, before that, I just messed up. What you're gonna do is put the other clamp in, make sure it's also snug, and then you want to go ahead and put this on. Like I said again, you want this to kind of match. You see how this end right here kind of links up. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the reason for that is because there's gonna be a screw where you're gonna place this, and it's gonna be much easier to put in than if you have it the other way around. Then you're gonna have to again take it out and readjust. So yeah, once that's in place, you want to go ahead and sort of, well, yeah, tighten the clamp a little bit. You know, not so close, but you know, go ahead and around the middle. Grab your filter here. We're gonna go ahead and pop this right in. Just like that. And we want to tighten the clamp that's already on the actual filter. You got your piece all set up, and the next step is basically to go on the engine bay, take out the original air filter it has, swap this one right in there, and you should be good to go. Now the only difference that I'm gonna do is, before I do that, I'm actually going to install this baby right here. So it's gonna take me a little bit more steps to do before I actually install this. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a while since I last posted something. My camera died that night of the install, so I'm gonna show you a sound clip of how it sounds. It sounds great. Everything came out cool. No check engine, no none of that. Makes amazing noises. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. I'm gonna try to constantly make videos here and there. Like, I know you know, it's not so easy, you know, working and all of that stuff. So you know, I'm trying. And sorry if I sound kind of like sick. Well, because I am sick. I'm a bit sick. So yeah, and right now it's really cold, so like it's really hard to do installs, you know, anything outside of the car. So I think my next mod to the car is I'm thinking about installing a short shifter to the car, and you know, that's indoors, so I won't be freezing. But yeah, a short shifter and maybe a shift knob. I'll change the shift knob. Kind of tired of the stock one, so, and yeah, I'll show you guys that as well.